Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we will start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website where you can find all of the codes I'll present you today with some additional information and explanation, but also many more tutorials regarding this device. Alright, so let's start. Let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and start with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and a serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, thanks to which we can open the calendar information. It is *##, 225, ###. And right here we've got the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which should open the diagnostic information. It is *##426, ###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and right here we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code for today's video. It is *##4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode, in the testing menu, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let me check the phone information. As you can see here, we've got some information, just like the email number, car network, data service, and data network type. Of course, I do not have any kind of information here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, you will be able to check it. Then we can run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, we can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's go back and let me check the usage statistics. So basically, right here we should at least have the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device, and you can check the usage time, last time used, or you can sort it by app name. Here we've got Wi-Fi information, and for some reason we cannot tap on it. So as you can see in my case, those two options are not working properly. I hope that in your case they will work and you will be able to check the proper information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.